check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga?
Man, I go to work, true winner. Jeans skinny, like Squidward. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber, wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, Shelty call it thinners. UPS Jackson's Gilly, we deliver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember.
Back with skinnies, they from rejects, I remember.
Competition, see the crease, they surrender. Smoke a wide clef kush, now I'm going to the river. Move your arms like you will chest up. Drop low, grab your shoulder like fuck it. Tell Power 106 to bang this shit. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work.
You're too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black
On Acorn,
like headlights. I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going nuts.
Acorn.
I'm a motherfucking fool for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and it smells like pubes all around my dick. I blockade like a goalie, pockets guacamole. Checks in effect at your neck like a rollie. Lady with your chick, she ate the cat daddy lonely. So I leave a jungle fever, I'm the mall, she's a glow. Hey, yeah, I'm cracking like a newborn rooster. Take a chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boosting. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she choosing. Cat daddy haters screaming, what the fuck, ain't dope?
Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my